Hi everybody, I decided I wanted to make a fruit bowl this morning. If ever anyone's been to Jamba Juice, you know those things cost a lot of money. And what's the point of doing that? We just make your own. So I was having some issues with my top, as you see. I haven't pulled my blender out in some time, but I got it together. I put some yogurt, fruit, and a minimal amount of water in there because it has to get to the consistency for a fruit bowl. Can't be too thin, too thick. Well, if it's thick, that's fine. I wish I could have got it thicker, but I mean, I feel that the consistency I got was pretty good. So once it got how I wanted it to get, as you see, the process is going and it's getting there. And then there you go. I put mine in the freezer after the fact. Then I started working on my fruits, clean them up, cut them up. Then I put the toppings on there. I used granola and almonds as well. And it was very filling and delicious. And me and the kids enjoyed it so much. I definitely think you guys should try one of your own. Have a good one, y'all.